NVIDIA makes the highest quality electrical components so that they can produce a very high quality product. If you look at the sales cycle right now for these H100s, NVIDIA is telling us like they're sold out for the next year and a half. The life cycle of these cards is not really known yet. It's more like, when are these things going to die?
From a financial perspective, there is an end of life, and these things are built as depreciating assets. And so out of the revenue, just like we pay for rack space, we pay for the replacement of an equivalent amount of the operational capital as we go. So by the time the machine has run to end of life, it's no longer economically viable, and we want to turn it off and get rid of it, it's already paid for itself. It's already replaced itself.
In our business model and our economic model, we've already built that in the cash flow, how to grow and how to go forward from there.
You can look at these graphic cards as being something that you take a mortgage out against. It holds that much value. So you have a deficit, think about taking a mortgage out against the cards, being able to pay it back, and these cards are generating significantly higher revenue than the amount of interest that you're able to get. Think of it as a mortgage is the easiest term to think of it. So it goes to show how the credit markets see the high value of this top-notch compute that we've acquired.
He's basically saying we're going to use the next round of equipment as its own collateral in a CDP to get a loan to buy itself. And then it will pay something like, 10% in interest. We'll make 100% on the equipment, and that remaining 90% becomes revenue that goes to ceti holders.
It's basically, how do we bring value? How do we bring revenue? How do we grow this and move forward? And that's the key.